Hey, what's up guys, it's Roy here. So today I have the Spigen Ultra Hybrid S case here for the Samsung Galaxy S23. They do make this for the S23 Plus and the S23 Ultra. So if you are interested in buying this for any of your S23 phones, I will put my Amazon affiliate links down in the description. This case is going to cost you around 20 bucks. So very basic box here. You have a picture of the phone case there. And then the bottom, it does say crystal clear. So that is the color. Let's go ahead and get this out and actually look at what you came for. So here is the plastic packaging. It always comes in. Inside, they do give you this designed for Samsung little pamphlet that talks about their wireless charging systems that they have. And here is the actual phone case. So this is a complete crystal clear, hence the name phone case. So if you're looking for a clear case, then you've made it to the right spot. Only thing is you do get this additional little piece here. So as you can tell, there is some little film that you do need to remove. Fortunately, they do this bright blue tab so you know to pull it off. So let's take it off. So there's the back. Flip it over and let's do the interior. And there we go. So looking at it, like I said, it is crystal clear, as you can see. And then looking at the interior, not much going on. If you do see, let's see right there, it does say air cushion technology. So those bumpers right there in the corners, a little square, those are the little tiny airbags that I've always been talking about in my videos. So let's grab this here. So just full disclosure, this is a dummy phone that was sent to me from a case manufacturer to use for these types of videos. So I can't do a wireless charging test, but I can tell you without a doubt, this phone case will easily wirelessly charge and let you do all the wireless things that you wish or want to do on your S23. Install is very simple. As you can see there, you just push the corners in and there it is. So very, very clean looking back here. And even though I didn't wipe it down or anything for the dust, it did actually a really good job of hiding them there. It looks really, really good right there. So just something to point out, it's always very hard and difficult when it comes to clear cases to actually have it look clean. Right here is the main attraction with this. So we do have kind of like this aluminum looking kickstand. Has a very nice hinge, very strong hinge there. So it does give you a lot of resistance when you're pushing it open. And then when you close it, it does give a nice kind of satisfying clasp there. It does say active stop technology as well. And then inside it does say Spigen Inc. in Irvine, California, made in South Korea. So we'll test that here in just a minute. And then we do have 3 dedicated circles that are cut out for the cameras and then a dedicated cutout for the flash. And as you can tell, they are recessed in nicely. So no issues with camera protection when you place it back down or drop it back down. Looking at the side, you can see it is very crystal clear. We do have a raised volume up and down and power button here. As you can see, the power button does have some teeth. So when you're looking for it, you can feel it. It feels good against the finger here. So once again, raised, as you can see, but they are crystal clear to match the whole entire case itself. And then if we look at the side, you can see there is nothing going on other than our air cushion technology in the corners here. And then if we move over to this side here, you can see that we do have a nice cutout for the USB-C charging port and our speaker. Then we do have some Spigen branding right there, as you can see. And then the air cushion right there. And then that's it. And then if we go to the top here, then once again, you can see the circular cutout for the mic and then the air cushion technology branding there. And then if we go to the front of the phone, you can see that we do have some nice lips. So we do have clear raised lips all around the whole entire front of the device. So we are going to get some good screen protection. It is tempered glass friendly as well. And that's a look of the front. So if you wanted to kind of get an idea, it is very crystal clear once again. And then if we get a little bit closer up here where the actual cutout is for the speaker, you can kind of see how that looks there. So now let's go ahead and do the wobble test here. So if I put it down and move it around, there's no shaking going on at all. And then if I do it back down, there is no shaking going on either. So if you are a fan of not very wobbly phone cases, then this one definitely hits the nail on the head. So next, let's go ahead and test the actual responsiveness of the buttons. So I'm gonna try to get a little closer to my shotgun microphone here, and let's start with the power button first. Volume up and down. Okay, so buttons are very clicky and tactile once again. So all of the Spigen cases that I've tested so far all pass with flying colors. So I've already talked about the power sharing and all that. So like I said, I can't do that test, but I can guarantee you that you are going to be fine doing wireless charging, reverse power sharing, all that fun stuff. And then last but not least, let's play around with the kickstand. So like it says, it does have that active stop technology, so it does stop where it needs to. And then if you just kind of put it down like so, then it is going to stay there. I can push up against it. It's not going anywhere, so it's not going to just fold out and just break. It does feel very, very sturdy. So you can do it this way here, or if you wanted to, you could flip it around and do it like so. So now it's going to be standing up a little bit more upright versus leaning back a little bit more, doing it this way. You can also technically get away with doing it like in a portrait mode type of thing like this. It does lean a little bit, but you can get away doing it if you did want to just kind of have this on the corner of your desk and now you're typing and working and you have it just sitting up facing you. So that is just another way to do it. But yeah, you get a lot of versatility with a kickstand like this, especially with the heavy duty one. Very, very strong and doesn't feel like it's just going to fold over once again and break on you. So 2 thumbs up for sure for that kickstand right there. So all in all, guys, it's a clear case, right? So it just really depends on kind of what you're looking for in a phone case. If you're looking for a clear case, then this one is a very good one. But just remember the smudge issues, the lint issues and stuff like that, fingerprint issues sometime. So it's not the end of the world. It's just knowing what you're getting yourself into. So hit that like button if you like this video. If you loved it, please subscribe. Ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe. God bless. See you on the next one.